Welcome to our exploration of the rise of self-cleaning houses and how they work. In today's video, we'll delve into the innovative technologies that are transforming our homes into self-sustaining sanctuaries. From self-cleaning surfaces that repel dirt to smart cleaning robots that take care of the mess, we'll cover a range of advancements that make modern living easier and more hygienic. Join us as we uncover the secrets behind self-cleaning windows, automated laundry systems, and much more. 1. Self-cleaning surfaces. Imagine a kitchen countertop that never stains or a bathroom tile that repels grime. Self-cleaning surfaces are turning this dream into reality. These surfaces are treated with special coatings that repel dirt, grime, and stains. For example, hydrophobic and oleophobic coatings cause water and oil to bead and slide off, carrying dirt along with them. This not only reduces the frequency of cleaning but also minimizes the growth of bacteria and mold, ensuring a more hygienic environment. As more manufacturers incorporate these coatings, the demand for self-cleaning surfaces is expected to grow, simplifying the lives of countless homeowners. 2. Smart cleaning robots. Smart cleaning robots are bringing a new level of convenience to household chores. These autonomous devices can navigate homes independently, handling tasks like vacuuming and mopping. With advanced sensors and mapping capabilities, they efficiently clean various surfaces while avoiding obstacles. The integration of smartphone apps allows users to schedule cleaning sessions and track progress from anywhere. As these robots continue to evolve, they are becoming more adept at integrating with other smart home devices, offering a seamless cleaning experience tailored to individual lifestyles. 3. Self-cleaning windows. Keeping windows clean can be a daunting task, but self-cleaning windows are changing the game. These windows feature a special coating that reacts with sunlight to break down dirt and grime. When rain falls, it washes away the debris, leaving windows sparkling clean without manual intervention. This advancement not only enhances a home's aesthetic appeal but also improves energy efficiency by allowing more natural light to enter. As awareness of these benefits grows, self-cleaning windows are becoming a sought-after feature in modern homes. 4. Automated laundry systems. Laundry is one of the most time-consuming household chores, but automated laundry systems are making it much simpler. These systems can wash, dry, and even fold clothes with little human involvement. Smart technology allows users to control and monitor the laundry process via smartphones. Advanced sensors detect fabric types and adjust settings accordingly, ensuring optimal care for each garment. As these systems become more widespread, the vision of a completely hands-free laundry experience is closer to realization, freeing up time for more enjoyable activities. 5. Self-cleaning bathrooms. Bathrooms are notorious for needing frequent cleaning due to moisture and bacteria. Self-cleaning bathroom fixtures address these issues effectively. For example, self-cleaning toilets use advanced technology to sanitize themselves after each use, while self-cleaning shower tiles repel soap scum and mildew. These innovations not only save time but also promote a healthier environment. As more homeowners embrace self-cleaning bathroom solutions, the standard of cleanliness and hygiene in these spaces is significantly elevated. 6. Smart home integration. The rise of self-cleaning houses is closely linked with the trend of smart home integration. Many self-cleaning technologies are designed to connect with a central smart home system, providing a unified interface for controlling various devices. This integration enhances convenience, allowing homeowners to schedule cleaning tasks, receive notifications, and monitor devices in real time. As smart home technology continues to advance, the potential for fully automated cleaning systems expands, making self-cleaning homes more accessible to a wider audience. 7. Self-cleaning fabrics and materials. Home furnishings are also benefiting from self-cleaning technology. Fabrics and materials treated with special coatings can repel stains and dirt, making them ideal for upholstery and curtains. For instance, self-cleaning sofa fabrics resist spills, maintaining a pristine appearance without constant cleaning. As these materials become more popular, They offer a practical solution for busy families looking to keep their homes fresh with minimal effort. This innovation not only simplifies maintenance but also extends the lifespan of household items. 8. Advanced air purification. Maintaining good air quality is essential for a healthy home environment. Advanced air purification systems are being integrated into self-cleaning homes to ensure clean, pollutant-free indoor air. These systems use HEPA filters, UV light, and ionization technology to remove allergens, dust, and harmful particles. By improving air quality, homeowners can reduce the risk of respiratory issues and create a more comfortable living space. As awareness of indoor air quality increases, these purification systems are becoming a staple feature in self-cleaning homes.